In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn Google Maps timeline on or off. So for that, launch open Google Maps application on your device. You can see over here Google Maps has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look right over here, you'll be able to find the option for your timeline. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the timeline over here. Right now the timeline is on. If your timeline is off, you'll be able to see timeline is off over here. So simply tap on this option. Now select an account to continue. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this option for timeline. So if you want to turn it off, tap on this option, turn off, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see two options over here, turn off and delete activity. If you also want to delete your activity, tap on this option, turn off and delete activity. If you only want to turn it off, tap on this option, turn off. Now you can see over here it has been turned off. Now if you want to turn it on, simply tap on this option, turn on. After you do that, tap on this option, turn on. Now you can see over here the timeline will be turned on. So like this, you'll be able to turn it on or off. So that is how you turn Google Maps timeline on or off. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.